Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Humanitarian. Humanitarian. Humanitarian means concerned with or seeking to promote human welfare. For example, groups sending humanitarian aid. Groups sending humanitarian aid. Synonyms: compassionate, humane, charitable. Humble. Humble. Humble means having modest estimate of one's importance. For example, he was humble about his stature as one of rock history's most influential guitarists. He was humble about his stature as one of rock history's most influential guitarists. Synonyms: meek, deferential, respectful. Ideological. Ideological. Ideological means based on or relating to system of ideas and ideals. For example, the ideological struggle that underpinned the Cold War. The ideological struggle that underpinned the Cold War. Immense. Immense. Immense means extremely large. For example, the cost of restoration has been immense. The cost of restoration has been immense. Synonyms: huge, vast, massive. Imminent. Imminent. Imminent means about to happen. For example, they were in imminent danger of being swept away. They were in imminent danger of being swept away. Synonyms: impending, at hand, close. Inadequate. Inadequate. Inadequate means lacking quality or quantity required. For example, these labels prove to be wholly inadequate. These labels prove to be wholly inadequate. Synonyms: insufficient, not enough, deficient. Inappropriate. Inappropriate. Inappropriate means not suitable or proper in circumstances. For example, there are penalties for inappropriate behavior. There are penalties for inappropriate behavior. Synonyms: unsuitable, unfitting, ill-suited. Indigenous. Indigenous. Indigenous means originating or occurring naturally in particular place. For example, coriander is indigenous to Southern Europe. Coriander is indigenous to Southern Europe. Synonyms: native, original, earliest. Infamous. Infamous. Infamous means well known for some bad quality or deed. For example, an infamous war criminal. An infamous war criminal. Synonyms: notorious, disreputable, ill-famed. Influential. Influential. Influential means having great influence on person or thing. For example, her work is influential in feminist psychology. Her work is influential in feminist psychology. Synonyms: powerful, authoritative, dominant. Inherent. Inherent. Inherent means existing in something as permanent, essential, or characteristic attribute. For example, any form of mountaineering has its inherent dangers. Any form of mountaineering has its inherent dangers. Synonyms: intrinsic, innate, imminent. Institutional. Institutional. Institutional means of or in institution. For example, institutional care. Institutional care. Instrumental. Instrumental. Instrumental means serving as means of pursuing aim. For example, the society was instrumental in bringing about legislation. The society was instrumental in bringing about legislation. Synonyms: involved, active, influential. Insufficient. Insufficient. Insufficient means not enough. For example, there was insufficient evidence to convict him. There was insufficient evidence to convict him. Synonyms: inadequate, not enough, too little. Intact. Intact. Intact means not damaged or impaired in any way. For example, the church was almost in ruins but its tower remained intact. The church was almost in ruins but its tower remained intact. Synonyms: whole, entire, complete. Integral. Integral. Integral means essential or fundamental. For example, games are an integral part of the school's curriculum. Games are an integral part of the school's curriculum. Synonyms: essential, fundamental, basic. Integrated. Integrated. Integrated means desegregated. For example, integrated education. Integrated education. Synonyms: desegregated, non-segregated, unsegregated. Interactive. Interactive. Interactive means influencing each other. For example, fully sighted children in interactive play with others with defective vision. Fully sighted children in interactive play with others with defective vision. Synonyms: collaborative, collective, communal. Interim. Interim. Interim means provisional. For example, an interim arrangement. An interim arrangement. Synonyms: provisional, temporary, pro tem. Interior. Interior. Interior means inner. For example, the interior lighting is not adequate. The interior lighting is not adequate. Synonyms: inside, inner, internal.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.